I know in one of my previous videos we talked about them pinning gold to Bitcoin, but what if that's the distraction? What if the real plan, the one they don't want us focused on, is XRP? Bitcoin's a great vault, sure, but it was never built for speed, scalability, or regulatory integration. Bitcoin is slow, it's volatile, and it's out of sync with the demand of real-time finance. You don't build a global monetary system on a digital rock. You build it on rails that move value instantly, that integrate with CBDCs, tokenized commodities, and central bank infrastructure. And that is XRP. Gold brings the trust. XRP, it brings the transmission. In a tokenized world, every asset needs a rail. And XRP is already plugged into the entire frickin' system. ISO 20022 compliant, deeply tied into cross-border payment pilots, and already tested with gold-backed assets. If you want to bridge the gap between old money and the new system, you'd pin gold to something programmable, something scalable, and built for compliance. XRP gives them the ability to tokenize and mobilize trust, to turn gold into a digital standard that actually moves and not just sits in a vault. Bitcoin may be the vault, but XRP is the highway. And in this reset, what we need isn't just a store of value. We need an instant universal value transferred backed by real collateral. That's what XRP delivers. Gold-backed, blockchain audible, globally scalable. This isn't a meme coin narrative. It's the foundation for a programmable gold standard that actually works in the modern world. They don't need another asset just to hold. They need an engine that can run the entire system, and XRP was built just for that.